9. Peel off now.
6 aircraft Delta formation has pulled up for the loop. Schedule 7, 8 and 9 have performed a linear bomb burst.
Outputs. Turning left. Smoke off, go.
After the loop, as Schedule's Delta move out to your right, take your eyes back to the Cadets Mess building.
Inwards.
Running in from the left, Schedule 8, Squadron Leader Usman, and from your right, Schedule 9, Squadron Leader Farhan, flying towards each other, nose to nose at a rate of closure above 600 miles per hour for a maneuver called the carousel. In this maneuver, pilots are pulling 6 Gs, undergoing 6 times the force of gravity. Flying at low altitude with such coordination under this force of gravity is extremely demanding. Both the pilots are performing anti-G straining maneuvers to counter this force of acceleration.
Reversing.
Both the aircraft will now exit behind the venue. Ladies and gentlemen, after this accelerated carousel, from your right side, schedules are coming in for a loop.
Smoke on, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the right side of leader, Schedule 2, Squadron Leader Ali Ghaus. On the left, Schedule 3, Squadron Leader Mirza Akil. Behind the leader in slot position is Schedule 4, Squadron Leader Wahid Zafar. The right tip of formation is Schedule 5, Squadron Leader Shoaib Babri, and on the left, Schedule 6, Squadron Leader Fahad Babar.
Stand by for pull up. Keep pulling up, now.
It requires sharp reflexes and immense concentration to stay in pace with each other at a distance of just 10 feet from other aircraft while performing a formation loop.
Turning right.
Following the loop, Wing Commander Mateen repositions the formation for a steep turn to the right side, during which the schedule will change formation from Delta to double arrowhead. As pleasing as it might look from outside,
5 and 6. Stand by to switch positions.
it's equally
Switch
nerve-wracking.
positions now.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the outer wing, Squadron Leader Babri and
Silent.
Squadron Leader Fahad changing positions.
Stand by to switch smoke. Switch smoke now.
Schedules are now passing in front of you at 500 feet above ground level with speeds in excess of 300 miles per hour.
Rolling out, smoke off. Schedule 7 running in for tail straight.
Ladies and gentlemen, from behind the venue, Schedule 7 Squadron Leader Taimur will be buzzing in for a sneaky pass, zooming up for a tail slide, climbing from 500 feet to 5,000 in just a few seconds.
Transferring up.
With engine throttle back to idle, as he points towards the sky, he reduces the aircraft speed to 0, comes to a standstill before he lets its nose tip over, virtually falling out of the sky. Following the tail slide, Squadron Leader Taimur reverses his direction
exiting.
towards the days, gains speed of up to 400 miles per hour, and perform a 6G pull-out from dive.
Smoke on, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you look towards your left side, share the leader is positioning the formation for a barrel roll. During barrel roll, the aircraft describes a circular flight path around an imaginary barrel
Rolling
lying
out.
horizontally.
Stand by to pull up. Okay, pulling up, now.
This is one of the most demanding maneuver to execute in a formation. It requires a very high degree of precision flying skills, as all the aircraft are continuously pitching and rolling throughout the maneuver. After the barrel roll, the Sherdals will perform back from double arrowhead to delta formation.
Five and six. Switch positions now. 5 and 6. Smoke off, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, unlike
Sherdal is
other
nine,
formation
running.
aerobatics teams of the world which have dedicated pilots, Sherdals are flying instructors of PF Academy who perform these formation aerobatic displays in addition to their task of imparting flying training to our young pilots. Ladies and gentlemen, directly in front of you, above the horizon,
Smoke on, now.
Sherdal 8, Squad Leader Usman and number 9, Squad Leader Farhan are now running in to perform the Shaheen break. As they charge in towards the
Gentlemen,
venue,
stand by for Shaheen break.
the two aircraft will snap inwards.
Shaheen break, now. Sherdal, smoke on, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we approach towards the end of today's Sherdal Formation Aerobatics display, Wing Commander Mateen brings
Sherdals
the
are in for
formation
the
right in
bombers
front
too.
of you. Above Cadets Mess building for the final and traditional Sherdal Bombers loop.
Rolling out. Stand by for pull up. Be pulling up, now.
After crossing the apex of loop on the call of slot members, Squadron Leader Waheed Zafar, Sherdals will split into 6 different directions.
Hear this, stand by for bombers. Bombers, now.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Bombers, a Sherdal's way of bidding farewell, flying like hawks, becoming sentinels of the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, this air demonstration symbolizes professionalism and dedication of the instructor pilots, the maintenance crew and all the support agencies who join hands to bring before you Pakistan Air Force Air Demonstration Team.